Good afternoon, students. Today's subject is EVS. Children, today in EVS we are going to learn a new topic, my upbringing. The name of the lesson is My Upbringing. Now, children, observe the picture carefully one by one and tell me what are the kids doing in this picture. Yes, now here in the first picture, what is the kid doing? Your mother is teaching him how to brush the teeth. So the kid is learning to brush his teeth. Here in the second picture, the kid is learning to do cycling. Here who is teaching him? Yes, his father. Now in the third picture, children, grandmother is telling the story and children are listening carefully to the story. Here, mother is cooking and the child is observing her mother how to cook. Here, father and son both are giving bath to the animals. So here the kid is learning how to bathe an animal. Can you tell what do you see in this picture? What are the kids in the pictures learning from the grown-ups? We learn many different things while we are growing up. They lead to the development of certain habits, likes and dislikes. They shape our views and thoughts. This is what is known as our upbringing. You must have seen photographs of your childhood. You began to crawl, you learn how to walk and how to talk. And apart from this, you learn many more things. How to brush your teeth, how to bath, how to eat without spilling, how to behave with people older than you. You learned many more things besides these basic ones. How to fill your school bag, how to ride a bicycle, how to play a cell phone game, when to feed the kettle, how to buy groceries, how to behave with strangers. The list go on and on. How did you learn all these things? Who taught you all these things? Yes, they are parents and relatives. You must have learned many of these things from your parents and relatives. Holding our hands, our parents teach us to walk. They teach us how to behave and how to talk to others. When we make mistakes, they show us how to correct them. They want us to become good people. Our loved ones too try hard to see that we develop good habits. Our close relatives like our grandparents, uncles and aunts also have great affection for us. We learn many things from them too. People who are close to us teach us how to carry out our own tasks ourselves. They appreciate it when we can do all these things properly. They comment us they command us saying that we have grown up. Everything that we learn is not taught to us by somebody. We pick up many things through observation and through exposure. How do our friends speak? What clothes do they wear? What games do they play? How do they study? We pick up many of these things unconsciously. Many times we also begin to behave like our friends. Now, children, these parents have come for a parent teacher meeting at school. See what they say to each other. Earlier, Renuka never ate her vegetables. Now that she has started going to school, she eats everything without a fuss. Without a fuss. Ever since Zoya, Shilpa and Gail have become friends, they ride their bicycles together every evening. I'm happy that they all get enough exercise. Ever since Prathamesh has become friends with Salman and women, he has started taking a lot of interest in math. Now children, in this picture you can see a small child holding the hand of an old man. Now here Pratap. This is my neighbor. This child's name is Pratap. This is my neighbor. He likes to go for walk every morning. I call him Ajoba. Sometimes I go to the hill with him. So now here Pratap goes with this Ajoba sometimes to the hill. Here the old lady is sweeping. The small kid is helping her. Hina. So the child name is Hina. This is my neighbor. She is very old. Even then, she sweeps her front yard every day without fail. She does her own work herself. Because of her, I realize that we all must be self-reliant. Here, I love to read. Now, this girl is Supriya. Didi living next to us loves to read. She often gives me nice storybooks to read. Like Pratap, Hina and Supriya, have you learned anything from your neighbors? Write about it in your notebook. So children, in this lesson we understood that not only parents and relatives are teaching us. We are learning from our friends, from our neighbors, from our teacher. So everyone play an important role in our life. And we should always learn the good things. What we have learned in this lesson. The many things we learn as we grow up together make our upbringing. Our parents and close relatives play an important part in our upbringing. We also learn many things from our parents and neighbors. We learn from the conscious efforts taken to make us good people. We also learn through observation and exposure. Thank you, children. Always obey your elders.